So what is a lead pool? A lead pool is basically a place where you can find your ideal customers online. Ideally, it's a place where those ideal customers are showing intent um, towards buying what we're offering. And I have a few examples here. Now, keep in mind, I won't always give you a lead pool. Sometimes I'll go ahead and just provide you a list of companies, but this video obviously is something that you'll be used, and the following video will show you kind of more about this. So let's use some examples. Let's say we're looking to sell to digital agencies. A directory like Clutch would be a great place to look. The reason that's true is because a lot of companies on Clutch, and here I'll just pick one for example. Let's look for mobile app development firms, consumer apps, whatever it is, right? These companies are paying to be here to acquire new customers. So if we're selling solutions that will get these companies more customers, this is low-hanging fruit. So this is a great place to look. Another example, if we're selling, let's say, Amazon advertising, a great place to look would be Amazon. If brands are already on Amazon, and I'll look at lotion, for example. If brands are already on Amazon, and especially if they're an Amazon Prime brand, then you know that they're clearly making efforts to generate sales on the Amazon platform. So you could come in here and pull companies of Amazon. Another example, let's say we're selling advertising, e-commerce to supplement nutrition brands. Well, finding a list like this from supplementreviews.com, it's just a bunch of different supplement companies that you can pull. Now, again, I won't always provide you a lead pool. Sometimes I will just give you a list, right? However, in the following videos, you'll get more insight into specifically, how and when you'll use these lead pools and if you'll even need them.